For close round 58, 2 chain, slip stitch, top of very first, front post, double crochet, like this. Round 59, slip stitch between 2 front post, double crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, count as first double crochet, a front post double crochet around next front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2, here we make a front post single crochet, top of this cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, now here 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 and another one around the next and the cluster, another front post double crochet around second front post double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet top of this cluster here, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, and here around this 2 we make a cluster, 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 and 2, now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, a front post single crochet around the next cluster, 2 chain, now here a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, a double crochet between 2 front post double crochet, and another front post double crochet around the next front post double crochet, 2 chain, and repeat this pattern until we finish this round. Here a front post single crochet, 2 chain, 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 and 2, another front post double crochet around second front post double crochet here, chain 1, 2 double crochet top of this cluster, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, now 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 here and the other one around next, 2 chain, a single crochet top of next cluster here, 2 chain, a front post double crochet around the next, a double crochet top of this 2, and a front post double crochet around the next. Continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here